I did it last time, right? Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
Let's make sure. I'm sorry about that. Okay.
All right.
Okay. What requirements must be checked when conducting a hypothesis test comparing two means of independent samples? If a random sample is drawn from each population, X is normally distributed for each group. Or
It's A and B.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'd say.
All right. The test statistic for a hypothesis test comparing two means and independent sample is a t-score. Yeah, t-score.
Not F.
Yeah, right under where I saw the definition for the other one. It says the test statistic for a hypothesis test comparing two means with independent samples is a t.
Awesome. Okay. These samples are independent if knowing which groups will be one, two, second one.
Yeah. Now the good old SPSS stuff. Let's see if I can figure it out this time.
This value resistance is upward. So do we do it into two separate? Yeah. All the stuff I just read was about in the same. Basically.
Yeah, I watched the videos on this one, so it helped a little bit, but we'll see if it actually helps out.
Yeah. Well, I'm just. Everything I just read was do it like with the how to do an SPSS was all about how everything was in the same column.
Yeah, the videos all used an app that they already had open, so. And it was all in one column too, but I think it's just the same as what we did on on Tuesday.
Well, last time they were dependent, and these are independent, so they don't really.
That's true.
I hate when they do that. When it's like, do it this way. Oh wait, never mind.
Just kidding. Let's do it this way instead.
I think my quiz just froze. There we go.
So would we just do them individually? Just do one variable and then the next variable?
I'm not sure. I don't know what it's talking about when it says the blank SPS sheet for 222 and 223.
I think it's just a blank sheet, isn't it? Or is there?
What? I just don't want the sheet.
Yeah.
The sheet for 223 and 223. So I'm wondering if we're supposed to do something where we put it in the same row, but so they're different, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess we could do that where they like we do 20. Let's see if I can do it. Hold on. Yeah, let's try. This is what I'm gonna do. So it has like two. So I like did 2 for the first 20, and then I copied the variable, the first set of variables in here, and then I did 2 and then did the second.
What?
So like, it's just, yeah. I don't know if that's gonna work. Hold on, let me try it out and see what I get.
How'd you get 222? Where'd you get that one from?
That's just what I'm using to distinguish the two.
Okay.
That's so. I don't know if that's right. I could put 1 for those and then 2 for the second set, but since they put it up there, I'm just gonna do that because.
Okay.
So. Let's see if I can.
Okay, now I get what you did.
Okay.
Sorry. I was like, what are those numbers? And now I realized what they are.
No, it's okay. I don't know if it's right, so I'm gonna see if. Okay.
I think that because on the video they had just one line of stuff, and then they had 2 different things like that.
Yeah, that's good. So.
I think that could be right.
Let's see. Okay. I'm confused. Do we have to recode the whole thing before?
Well, I think so, because it said we could only have 8 or something like that. That's what it was talking about. I can't.
Okay, so we recode it. Transform. Okay, which one do we, what?
Or maybe because we only put 2 numbers, we recoded it already.
Read them all.
Because I think the fact that there's only two numbers, so maybe we already recorded it by hand.
Yes. Okay. Then oh yeah, because it's a number.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the whole point of recording. Okay, then. Okay. So what was I looking for? The degrees of freedom. Is the degrees of freedom combined or?
I have no idea. I forgot how to do from this one.
Because degrees of freedom is just 1 minus the sample size, but do we use sample size of both? Where it's oh yeah. Okay, let's try this. Let's compare.
Just the video again.
Okay, so I did the t-test for the whole thing, and I got 38, which is each set.
What did you for the t-test? Did you put in both variables, or what did you do?
So I did. I did analyze, compare means, independent samples, t-test. Then I put, since I have the 22, 2, 2, 2, and 2, 2, 3 in the first column, I put that in the group variable. And then for the test variable, I did the second column with all the data. And then I defined the groups, and I put group 1 as 2, 2, 2, and group 2 as 2, 2, 3.
Okay, so you went to analyze, and then what did you go to?
Analyze, compare means.
Okay.
And then independent samples, t-test.
Okay. That's what I was like looking for that one.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Linus. That was weird. I thought I heard my dog.
Okay. I got the t-test now.
I'm just not sure if it's asking for the degrees of freedom of the whole thing or for a list, but I'm guessing it's the whole thing because the second one it says specifically for list 2. So that's my guess.
So on the watch the video.
Uh-huh.
Okay, it always told. So did you get 37.996? always told us to put the bottom when the equal variance not assumed.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. You do that.
I'm glad SPSS is working a little bit better now.
Yeah, that was so lame.
I think I was just doing something wrong. I don't know. But I watched the video and it helped a little bit.
Good.
Alright, what is the sample standard deviation for list 2? So that means we have to separate it now, right?
Yeah, well, it's just a different command. So for that one, you do analyze, descriptive statistics, and explore. And it'll come up with, it'll tell you the two different lists. But you put...
Okay, yeah, I see it.
And then you put, it keeps having to switch.
Did you get 206.637?
Oh my god. Okay. So then we have to go back to the other thing. See where we want. What is it? I got negative 0.434.
What did I do wrong? Because for the first list, I got 206, and then for the second list, I got 206.637, and the first list, I got 208.875.
For T?
No, for standard deviation.
Oh. Yeah, that's what I
Okay.
got.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was like, what?
I already moved that. Sorry, yeah, that's what I got. 206.37.
What'd you get for T?
Negative 0.434.
Yeah.
Okay. And then for the p-value, since it's a one-sided, we just divide that 0.825 by 2.
How do you do the p-value again?
So it's that sig in the independent sample t-test. It's the sig, but that is two tails, like if it's equals or not equals, but this is one tails, so we have to divide it by 2.
Okay, did you get 0.333?
I got 0.413. What did you get for your sig for that?
I got 0.666.
Oh, there's 6. Okay, yeah, you're right. I don't know what that other sig is. Just kidding. Yeah.
Okay. Did you say you got negative 0.434 for the T?
Yeah.
Mine says positive.
Really?
Yeah.
Weird.
Like it says 0.434, but it says positive.
That's weird.
And yours says negative?
Yeah, negative. That's really weird. Why would
I don't know.
I'm confused? Why would it do that?
I don't know. This stuff is weird.
No. I don't even because everything else is the same.
Yeah.
So yeah, I was looking under that for the SIG. I was looking for under that Levin's test for equality.
You get 5 on that one? Is that what it says on that one?
Yeah. So
Okay.
I was in the wrong one.
So yeah, we have the same numbers, but right next to the SIG, the T is 0.434 on mine.
Yeah. And it's negative. That's weird.
I don't understand.
Doesn't make any sense.
So what is the correct decision based on this evidence? Reject and all, right?
I would say fail to reject.
Fail to reject?
Yeah, because it's larger than the level of significance, which is 0.1.
Okay.
Right?
I never remember what we're comparing them to. So. Oh yeah, we're completing level. Okay, yeah, yeah. So fail to reject. Okay. Suppose your alternative hypothesis is mu1 is not equal to mu2. What is the correct decision based on this evidence?
I guess it would still be the same because if that's the alternative, then we just do this. So the p-value would be 0.666.
Yeah, that's true.
So it would still be larger.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, by the way, was the homework the exact same for you? Well, not pretty much almost exact same as the group quiz.
I haven't done the homework, but hopefully.
I mean, for last time.
For Tuesday's homework?
Oh.
I didn't do it yet.
Oh, is it not due till Saturday?
Yeah, both of them are due on Saturday, so.
Oh, I always do it right after.
No. So it was like the exact same?
Yeah, it's the exact same.
That's good.
So I just had them up side by side.
I will keep that in mind then.
Yeah. But do you remember, I'm not supposed to talk to you about it, but if you remember the problem that we did where we didn't know how to do, and I was like, let's just divide it by 2.
Uh-huh.
It's the opposite. We times by 2. So.
Okay. Okay, I'll keep that in mind when I do it.
Yeah. I mean, I still got one problem wrong, so that might be it, but I'm pretty sure that's right.
Okay.
I'm just not sure what problem I got.
I think you're allowed to talk about the homework. It just says...
Oh, yeah. So
I don't think you're supposed to talk about the answers, but it says you can talk about it with people. I think. I don't remember.
Yeah.
But yeah, I know which one you're talking about, so.
It was for the p-value, I think.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So...
Alright.
Should I even read that beginning part to see?
No. It's just a level of significance is all you need to know.
Yeah. Oh, we have to figure out the alternative hypothesis. Mm-hmm. The second evidence. We suspect the freshman from Utah could identify themselves a different number of times. Oh, so it's just not equal to. Okay, so it'll be two tails. So what is it? Oh, so it'll be the middle one, or 12.
Oh, I was starting to put it on that. Sorry, I was trying to put all the information on the SPSS.
Oh, it's okay. Yeah, that's.
So, which one did you say?
The middle one that it's.
Yeah.
It's not able to.
Yeah. I think that's what I'd say.
Yeah. Okay. Mm.
I'm just glad I start to figure some of this stuff out right before the test. That's next week.
Yeah.
And it's finally starting to make a little bit more sense to me.
Good. Yeah.
If I keep a B average, I'm happy in this class.
Yeah, me too. I just have to, it's a requirement for me for a class I'm taking next semester, so.
Yeah, I'm an LED major, and they're making us required to like do a little minor so we can teach a different subject as well through middle school. And I chose math, and so that they're making me take this one. But I'm like, I'm never going to teach a middle school kid this stuff.
I know, right? Wait, so you want to be a middle school teacher?
I'm going to be credentialed through kindergarten through I think 9th grade, so I can teach elementary school and middle school math.
Cool. That's awesome. My mom's going to school to be a teacher right now.
Yeah, I'm not looking forward to the pay, but I tried a few other majors and none of them really fit. So
Yeah. So that's just what you want to do.
yeah.
That's awesome. Yeah.
I was hoping to find something that paid a little bit better, but it is what it is.
We'll just have to do other things.
Yeah.
My husband does my husband's actually he's a computer guy, whatever. I don't know. But he's an actual online instructor for BYU Idaho.
Nice.
He wants me to take his class, but he's teaching online coding or basic coding or something.
That doesn't sound fun to me in any way.
I know, I'm like, honey, that's so boring to me. He's like, okay, Mom.
I have a bunch of friends who do all that stuff and try to explain it to me, and I'm like, what are you talking about?
Yeah. Okay. Independent sample test. Okay. Did we get it yet? I got 0.845.
0.845.
Yeah.
I got negative 0.845.
What the heck? Why is ours? I have no idea why it would do that.
Me neither.
Like, I don't get it. Like, are you putting did you put the first list first and second list second? That's like all I can think of that would change.
But would that change it to negative? I guess it would change to negative positive, huh?
Maybe that's the only thing I can think that we did differently, you know?
Yeah, I think I did do that. Maybe I'll just follow your answers and make sure.
Well,
But would that make a difference? Because they're independent, so it shouldn't make a difference, should it?
No, yeah, you're right.
I don't get it.
I don't either. It makes me nervous because
I guess this is what we'll do. We'll both submit it with what we got, and whoever was right will know they were doing it right.
Yeah.
'Cause that's
Except we don't know what we're doing right.
Yeah.
No.
I think because I think I did like all I did was copy and paste them, so I think I don't know if I did them in order or not. So it very well could be that way.
Like you did the second one second? I mean, second one first?
For this one, no, I didn't. But the last one I did.
Because I did it the same both times where I just put the first list and then the second list.
Yeah.
I feel like that should
Don't know how that would make a difference though. Like.
Yeah, exactly.
Because they're both independent, but I don't know.
Okay. Well, did you get 0.41 for the next one? For the p-value?
Let me put it in. Yeah. And it's positive, so.
Mine too. But you can't have a negative p-value.
That's true.
Okay, so the 95. So I got negative 2.204 and 5.137.
You got what again?
Negative 2.204 and then 5.137.
So if you flip that, that's what I got. So there's got to be something I did differently than you. Because I got negative 5.137 and positive 2.204.
Oh my gosh.
I'm going to go with your answers. I trust your answers more than I trust mine.
But I just don't get it because we're doing it the same way.
Yeah, I don't, because we got the same numbers. They're just positive and negative.
Yeah, it's so weird. So did you? Okay, I'm gonna go through what I did on a shared screen, and I want you to watch and tell me if this is what you did.
Okay, just a second. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, so I did analyze, compare means, connection. Oh, it's already done for me. So I put this here, and then I defined the groups. That's like all I did.
That's all I did too.
And you define the groups as.
Okay, what do you define the groups as? Maybe that has something to do with it. 1 and 2?
I define them as. Okay, let me just. Which one is it? Here, I'm going to do it again. Okay, so here I put this number 2, and then the first one, and then find it as 2.2. Is that what you did?
Let me see. Yeah, I think that's what I did. But maybe. Okay, so what I did, that's why it's different. I put 2 for the first one and then 1, so I did it backwards.
Oh,
so
okay.
Apparently that does make a difference. Therefore, I'm going with your answers and switching them. Because it switched when I did that. Same numbers, just positive and negative switched.
Okay. Yeah. So the bottom one is negative 2.204 and then 5.13. 127.
What was it? 5.12. Because I clicked
137.
137. And then was 13 positive for you?
Yeah.
And then which one was it?
I'm gonna feel so bad if it's the opposite. The number
Number 8 was negative, correct? Negative 0.434.
Yeah.
Okay, I think those are close. They're different. And then we failed to reject the null, right, for 15?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you were either right or wrong, but I think you were right because I switched it like that.
I hope so, because I'm gonna feel bad. Submitting.
100%. You were right. Good job.
Woo! Mine's
So-
still submitting. There we go. Okay.
Now that we know
Yay.
that makes a difference, that is going to be a lifesaver for me.
Okay. Good. Well,
And I'm glad I changed my answers to you. Thank you, Emily.
you're welcome. Okay.
All right,
Cool.
awesome. Well, you have a great night, and I will see you on Tuesday.
Okay. Bye.